Welcome back. Today we are looking at the best commercial cake display refrigerator Tylza Commercial Refrigerator Display, Case 35. Commercial cake display refrigerator solutions are essential for any modern bakery, CAF, dessert shop, or convenience store that wants to showcase fresh cakes, pastries, and chilled desserts in a visually appealing and hygienic way. The Tylza 3.5 Cu.Ft 100L countertop refrigerated showcase is designed to elevate product presentation while maintaining optimal cooling performance. Check the video description for the updated price link. In 2026, businesses are no longer just competing on taste, they are competing on presentation, freshness, and customer experience, and this compact display fridge is built exactly for that purpose. This unit combines elegant white LED lighting, double-tempered glass doors, and precise temperature control ranging from 36 F to 54 F, making it ideal for preserving cakes, cheesecakes, cupcakes, and beverages. Whether you are running a small bakery counter or upgrading a CAF display section, this refrigerator is engineered to maximize visibility and freshness without consuming excessive space. Unlike bulky commercial coolers, this countertop model is designed for efficiency and convenience. It fits easily on counters while still offering professional-grade refrigeration. The auto defrost function also reduces maintenance workload, ensuring consistent cooling performance even during peak business hours. If you are looking to improve sales through better product visibility, this model stands out as a smart investment for 2026 food service businesses. The Tylza display fridge is built with a strong focus on durability, aesthetics, and consistent cooling performance. Below are its standout features that make it highly competitive in the commercial refrigeration market. Despite its countertop size, this unit offers a well-optimized 3.5 cubic feet interior space. It allows bakery owners to organize multiple cakes, desserts, and packaged food items efficiently. The interior shelving is designed for maximum visibility and accessibility, ensuring that every product gets attention from customers. Temperature control is critical for bakery products. This refrigerator maintains a stable cooling range between 36 F and 54 F, helping preserve freshness while preventing freezing or moisture buildup that could damage delicate desserts. Lighting plays a huge role in sales psychology. The integrated white LED lighting enhances product visibility, making cakes and pastries look more appealing. This feature helps attract customers even in low-light environments, such as evening CAF settings. The double-layer glass door improves insulation while allowing customers to view products clearly without opening the unit. This reduces energy loss and maintains internal temperature stability. In real-world commercial environments, the Tylza Commercial Cake Display Refrigerator performs consistently well under daily heavy usage. It is especially effective in bakery shops, dessert cafes, and convenience stores where door openings are frequent. The cooling system quickly restores temperature after each opening, ensuring product safety and freshness. One of the strongest advantages is its energy-efficient compressor system, which balances cooling power with low energy consumption. Even during peak hours, the unit maintains stable performance without excessive noise, making it suitable for customer-facing environments. Another major advantage is the auto defrost function. In busy commercial kitchens, manual defrosting is time-consuming and inefficient. This feature ensures that frost buildup does not interfere with visibility or cooling efficiency, significantly reducing maintenance effort. For businesses looking to improve product visibility and boost impulse purchases, this unit delivers excellent results. Customers are naturally drawn to well-lit, neatly arranged desserts, and this display refrigerator enhances that effect significantly. Check the link in the description to get yours today.